Good morning, dear parents. Greetings from Kakatiya Olympiad Schools. Today, we would like to explain you regarding the FA1 examination pattern which will be followed for all our students. At KOS, we believe every parent should have complete clarity about the examination process. Through this short video, we will explain you about the examination pattern, marks distribution, report card and section allotment, so that you will be having a complete clarity about the entire process. First, let me explain you about the examination pattern. The examination consists of 3 papers, paper 1, paper 2 and online examination. Paper 1 consists of 50 marks, paper 2 with 25 marks and online examination will be conducted at 25 marks. Together, students' overall performance will be assessed out of 100 marks. The total duration of the examination is 2 hours. Students will begin with paper 1. If the student completes the paper 1 as early as possible, he will be provided with paper 2 as a bonus and may attempt it within the given duration. However, if the student fails to attempt it within the given duration and utilizes the complete 2 hours for paper 1, they will not be provided with paper 2 as there is no additional time will be provided. Now, let me explain you about the paper 1. Paper 1 contains the questions directly from the textbook. These are the questions exactly at the end of each lesson. The marks obtained in paper 1 will be entered into the report card as per the academic assessment process. Many parents may wonder why this paper 2 has been included. The purpose of education today is not only to check how much a child has memorized, but to understand how much child understand the concept, how they think, how they solve the problems and how they apply their learning to the real life situations. Paper 2 has been specially designed to assess these important life skills. Through this examination, we also evaluate speed, accuracy, time management, logical, creative and problem solving skills of a child. Now let me explain you about the first concept of our paper 2, that is textual reading. In this concept, students are encouraged to read the entire lesson and understand the concept and answer the questions based on their understanding. Here we are not only checking how the child has memorized, but how the child understands the concept, think logically and answer independently. For example, the lesson has 10 pages. Students are encouraged to read complete chapter. The question may get from any part of the chapter and students are supposed to answer it by understanding the concept clearly. Now let me explain you about the second concept, that is insight development. This section encourages students to think deeply about the lesson which they have studied. Instead of simply memorizing an answer, students need to analyze the concept and come up with their ideas based on their own understanding. For example, if we touch a live electric wire, we get a shock. But birds sit on the electric wire without getting a shock. Why? Here, student can't answer this question simply by memorizing a line from their textbook. They need to understand the concept of how electricity flows and apply the logical reasoning and answer this concept. Now, let me explain you about the third concept, that is practical application. Here, students will apply what they have learned to their everyday life. Knowledge becomes meaningful only when it can be used in real life situations. For example, if you are changing a light bulb at your home, what safety precautions should you take? Questions like this will help the student to connect their classroom learnings to the real life situations. Now let me explain you about the fourth concept of paper 2, that is design thinking. Here students imagine, create and solve problems creatively. For example, if you were a fashion designer, design a dress that can be worn comfortably in all 4 seasons. Here there is no particular or fixed answer for these questions, but instead students are encouraged to think creatively and express their ideas. Now let me explain you about the online examinations. Along with the written examination, student will also take an online assessment through Kakatiya eGuru app, which is specially designed for Yamuna and SN campus, and Kakatiya ePariksha app, specially designed for I-20 students. Students need to sign in with the credentials provided by the school and attempt the examination within the app. And the examination pattern is, it carries 10 questions with 25 marks and 30 minutes duration. The objective of introducing this online examination is not just to evaluate student, but to create awareness and familiarity with online assessment process. Student can attempt these online examinations from the comfort of their home. Now let me explain you about the section allotment process. Section allotment will not only be done based on the report card marks, but it will be based on the overall performance of the student in paper 1, paper 2 and in online examinations. But an important note here is paper 1 marks will be entered into the report card, paper 2 marks will be sent directly to the parents in a different format. At KOS, our vision is to nurture confidence, discipline and future ready learners. Thank you for your continuous trust and support. Thank you and have a great day.